What's up everyone? So in this video I'm gonna share you how you can make the curved text in the CapCut Mobile, and you can start to go to this new video or your new project. And for example, I'm going to use the black background in this library. For example, this one, select it and click add, and now you can start to put the text into this section. Click this T for the text. And after that, I will start to type, for example, curve text like this. And after that, you can go to this styles. And if you see a lot of option over here, you can scroll it to the left and click this curve and select this one. And you can also adjust the intensity for this curve. Let's say you can make it to be the circle like this, fully 360, and after that you can simply apply it. So this is how you can make the curved text until like this circle in this CapCut Mobile. Don't forget to try it, and I hope this video found you helpful. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.